Hi there, guys and gals. Good midnight. Let's continue. I'm so starving. Mm. To my Hollywood idol, Britney Spears, happy birthday. This is for you. Love it. Mm. As you can see, the posters of Britney Spears. Before that, guys and gals, before I give my message to Britney Spears, let me greet you a one midnight snacks evening. Sorry, a one midnight, a one good midnight snacks. Mm. Oh gosh. Mm. Mm. Sorry. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Mm. 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 To my mother in Bicol, Fe Abordo, Monet Pacheco of Hong Kong, hi. Gracia Pacheco also for liking my videos sometimes. This is for you. Tastes so good. The most delicious pasta in the whole damn world. Love it. And to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. Tastes so good. Guys, hold on. To all my Facebook viewers also, to all my followers, hi. Sorry guys. Sorry if I can speak that much. And to all my lovely countries, 12 countries, one, just say big goodbye for a while. Hold on. I am what I eat, guys and gals. How about you, huh? You know what, guys and gals? I suggest if you are thinking of a pasta to be cooked this coming Christmas and what's this? Coming Christmas and New Year. This is great. Low cost but easy to prepare. To my Philippines, United States. Hold on. Philippines, United States, Indonesia, India, Canada, United Kingdom, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Germany, Mexico, United Arab Emirates, and Italy, Malaysia, say goodbye for a while. But they will gonna come back, okay? Okay, here it is. Guys, hold on. Mm. Mm. My message to you, Brittany, I hope you will continue your singing career. Don't mind all your detractors, your bashers, those people who doesn't like you. Who cares? For as long as we, your avid fans, are still here for you. This is for you, Brit. Mm. Mm. And I hope the biopic will prosper for next year. And when it comes on your love life, please choose very carefully. Don't rush so much. Don't rush things. Do not let be took advantage again. And I wish you a fruitful year and have a quality time with your kids. And I hope you can visit us again here in the Philippines, okay? Mm. Mm. You guys come over here. Join me. Ah. Mm. Mm. Once again, happy birthday, Britney Spears. Godspeed. More videos to come. And hopefully, please come back here in the Philippines, okay? Thank you so much, guys and gals. That will be all for now. Bye for now. Thank you. Do you still want? Mm. Bye. Do you still want chicken? Mm. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.